Um, Hi there. I'm not sure if this is how you do it. Pizza. Nope. Oh. Okay. Hello. Hey, we will be going over the not gate. This one. It's gonna be pretty short, short and sweet. Basically, it's a block where one input and one output. One input, one output. What's up? Input on this side. Output on this side. Pretty short, pretty simple. Done. So. I give terrible at this, I'm sorry. La 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 la. If we give it a power signal, look, it's automatically lights it up, no buttons pressed. Boom, turns it off. Basically, anti-signal. That's that. Boop.